Less Suêtes wind warning. Issued at Saturday 3:42 p.m. February 15, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada.
Description:
Dangerous wind gusts causing widespread damage are expected or occurring. Maximum wind gusts, southeasterly up to 160 kilometers per hour. Location: Margaree to Bay St. Lawrence. Time span: overnight Sunday night. ####. Utility outages may occur. Very strong wind gusts can damage buildings, down trees, and blow large vehicles off the road. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using #NSStorm.